Hello dear viewers, welcome to Major Tech Teacher 24 channel. Today you are going to get a useful video lesson by this YouTube channel, and those who are going to start digital marketing and those who are going to start Fiverr, Upwork, freelancing job will be benefited by today's lesson. And before going to start our today's lesson, I would like to invite you to subscribe this YouTube channel if you are new visitor here, and you will have to keep the bell button on so that you can get the notification at first in your notification bar. So I would like to give you an important tips that you will have to watch the video lesson from the beginning to the till the end of this video lesson. Let's get started our today's lesson.
Hello dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Major Tech Teacher, and today you are going to get a useful video lesson. You know that Instagram is one of the most popular social media in this modern time, but this social media is suitable for mobile version. We cannot use this social media, or we cannot post using laptop or PC or desktop. We can post any photo or anything using mobile phone. But today I will show you how you can use this mobile version or mobile interface on your PC or on your laptop or on your desktop. So before going to start our main video lesson, I'd like to invite you to subscribe my YouTube channel if you are a new visitor here. And if you think that this video lesson was useful, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my important, useful video lesson channel. And if you subscribe my YouTube channel, I will be inspired to make more video lesson for you. So to make sure using mobile interface on our laptop or on our PC, first we will have to log in our Instagram or account using any browser. In general, I use Google Chrome browser. Here I will just open my Google Chrome browser and I will make this interface bigger. Then I will search on Google search bar just instagram.com I'll just enter here instagram.com, and my account is already logged in. If your account is not logged in, you will have to first log in your account. But as my account is logged in, I have here come in this interface, but you can here see the post, but here is no option to make any post. Here in this interface or in laptop or desktop, we can only see our friends post, but we are not able to make any post here. If we want to make any post, we'll have to return to mobile version. There are two types of using Instagram on our desktop or laptop. One is using Chrome extension, desktop Chrome extension. Another is using your Chrome control panel. Today I will show you how to use Instagram using your Google Chrome control panel. To make it here, you will just click here on these three dots on the right corner of your laptop, or click here on three dots. Just click here and go to more tools. Here you will find more tools. More tools, here are several interfaces, but you will go to the function more tools. Here, from more tools, you will just drag your mouse in developer tools. Just click on developer tools. You will find an interface on your desktop or PC screen. This is After clicking on developers tools, you will find this. From here you will find some HTML codes here. On the head of this HTML code you will find two task bar. One is here and another is here. You will just click on second taskbar, that is named toggle device toolbar. Toggle device toolbar, you will just click on toggle device toolbar. As I was using the interface, or I was using mobile version, so here you will find some changes. I'll just again click here on toggle toolbar. I will find this taskbar here, Galaxy S5, this 360 and 640, and here you will find 80% or 75%, and next you will find online. If you are not using this mobile version, if you click here you will find this interface, but if you already used this mobile version, you will not find it after clicking here. After clicking here you will find these changes. If you are not using, you will find the changes like this mobile version interface. But if you don't use this interface, you will find it. If you have already used this, you will not find this interface. So if you click here on toggle tool bar, you will find this, and you will click here on Galaxy S5 to select any interface. You can select iPhone X, iPad, or iPad Pro. You can also select iPhone 6, 7, 8, iPhone 5, etc, etc. This will help you to make your screen bigger or smaller. So Galaxy S5, or if I select iPhone X, my interface will be smaller. If I here click here Galaxy S5, my interface or mobile version interface will be larger. I can here select 80% to 75%, 50%, 100%. If I select 100%, it will be larger, and I will not find the home button from where I will be able to post. So I need to select 75%, which is suitable for my laptop, because my laptop screen is not so larger. After selecting 75%, and after selecting this mobile version or Moto's Z4 or S5 Pixel, from anywhere we can select anyone from this, and after selecting this we will have to select this percentage. This is 80%, and next I need to refresh my search bar. Just click here to reload my page. If I reload my page, I find this home button, and this is my home button, this is my search button, and this is my post button, and this is my like or love or reaction button. This is the icon of my profile picture, and after clicking this plus icon, or this is the post button, if I click here, I will go to the picture of my laptop. I'll select any post from my desktop or from my laptop. Here I will select any gigs which I uploaded in my Fiverr. I'll just select it. So this is not suitable for my Instagram post, but I will post it to make you understand how to post on Instagram. This is also the process of Instagram marketing. If you cannot post on Instagram, you will not be able to do the marketing. Or if you are a digital marketer, you need to make marketing on Instagram. After selecting your picture, you can go to filter to select your color, but I'll not go to filter to select any color. This is, I will keep the original color. Then I will go to edit, and in edit, after going to edit, I will click on next. Here I will find this interface that I can write a caption about my post. I can add a location from where I am posting. I can take this post to my friends, but I'll not tag anybody and I'll not add any location. I'll just here write caption. I am a digital marketer. I'm a digital marketer. I want to be your social media manager. Social media. You will write something about your post. Social media marketing manager. I want to be your social media marketing manager. Just contact me. Just contact me now. And after this, I will select some hashtag. To add any hashtag, first you will have to click on hash from your keyboard. Then I'll write digital marketing. You will add here any hashtag which will be related to your post. Here digital marketing has come and I will just select from here. Then I will select social media. Then I will select social media marketing. You can select more than 25 or 30 hashtags, but keep in mind that you will have to select at least 10 hashtags for your post on Instagram. If you here put these available or important or useful hashtags, your post will be found on the search bar, on the search list of the viewers, of the visitors easily. So these hashtags will help you to make your post popular to the buyers, to the visitors, to the customers. So you must select these important hashtags. So I'll select social media marketing. Here I will just show you how to add hashtags and how to post on Instagram. Then you will select email marketing. Email marketing. Then I will select Instagram. If anybody searches with the name of Instagram, they will also find my post there. I will select Instagram marketing. But here I haven't put has is must. Instagram marketing. Instagram marketing is available here. So this is, in this way you can select hashtag. After selecting 30 or at least 10 hashtags, you will just click here on share. After clicking on share, you will find that your post has been shared using desktop or using laptop, using PC. So you can find that this is my post which I have posted using my laptop. So now after watching this video lesson, you will be able to use your Instagram on your PC and you will be able to post using your PC, using your laptop. So I hope that you have understood quite I hope that you have understood completely, and if you find that this video lesson is useful, please subscribe my YouTube channel and like, comment, share. Today I will finish and next time I will be in front of you with another important video lesson. Thanks for watching. Tata, goodbye.